Hello, and welcome back to my channel, POD with Kawa, and in today's video, I'll be sharing something incredibly valuable for every print-on-demand seller. I'll reveal the top niches for February and March that can help to boost your sales and give you a competitive edge. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Now let's start with our first trending niche, that is Super Bowl. You should definitely sell Super Bowl designs in February and March because the Super Bowl is a massive event with millions of fans looking for themed merchandise. It's a golden opportunity to capitalize on trending keywords and seasonal hype, driving more traffic and boosting your sales. This niche is popular among boys mostly, and they like this type of designs, so when you make this type of t-shirt design, keep that in mind that you have to create grunge and bold style. Now let's move forward to our next trending niche, that is Chinese New Year. You should sell Chinese New Year designs because it's a widely celebrated festival with strong cultural significance, offering high demand for themed merchandise. People look for products featuring symbols like dragons, lanterns, zodiac animals, and festive greetings, making it a perfect niche to target for increased sales during the season. And you can create a lot of different designs under this niche because like here, I searched for snake year, and similarly, you can create designs for every Chinese zodiac sign. However, it's going to be snake's years, so it will probably sell the most. Moving forward, we have Mardi Gras. Let's check it out. Selling Mardi Gras designs can be profitable because it's a vibrant, widely celebrated event known for its festive spirit, parades, and unique traditions. It's associated with parades, parties, and costumes, creating a huge demand for themed merchandise. Popular designs often feature iconic symbols such as masks, fleur-de-lis, beads, and jester hats. Since the celebration extends through February and sometimes into early March, it's the perfect time to offer unique, colorful designs and to capitalize on this fun and profitable niche. And if you don't know how to create elements for making designs or don't know where to find them, then you can simply go to Creative Fabrica. Here you can find everything you need to create great designs. As you can see here, they have a lot of great elements for creating Mardi Gras designs and even ready-made designs, so you should definitely check it out. The link is in the description. Now let's check out our next trending niche, and this niche is one of the best-selling niches of this video, that is Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is one of the biggest gift-giving holidays of the year, making it a prime opportunity for print-on-demand sellers. People are actively looking for unique and personalized designs to express love and appreciation. If you want to stand out for Valentine's Day, you have to do something really unique as it's a highly competitive niche, different from what everybody else is making. And while you have to stick to the theme of love, you can add something unique to it. For example, you can make humorous designs and relatable couple designs. And you can also create classic designs that use phrases like "be mine" or "love you to the moon," etc. These are some of the best examples of designs under this niche that I found. You can observe others and see what kind of designs are best selling and try creating your own versions. With the holiday falling on February 14th, targeting early shoppers and offering customizable options can set your store apart, helping you tap into this highly profitable niche. Now let's move forward to our next trending niche, that is Ramadan. Ramadan is a significant month observed by millions of Muslims worldwide, making it a highly profitable and meaningful niche for print-on-demand sellers. During this time, people look for themed products to celebrate, gift, and enhance their spiritual experience. Popular design elements include crescent moons, lanterns, stars, mosques, and meaningful quotes. And since Ramadan leads up to Eid, the demand for festive products extends through the month, making it a lucrative niche to target. And even though the designs here are pretty simple, you can also go for more detailed designs. For example, you can use different beautiful Islamic patterns and graphics that look very beautiful. Now let's check out our next trending niche, that is St. Patrick's Day. St. Patrick's Day, celebrated on March 17th, is a vibrant holiday known for its Irish heritage, fun, festivities, and love of all things green. It's a fantastic niche for print-on-demand sellers because it has a great demand and high selling potential. Popular design elements include shamrocks, leprechauns, pots of gold, rainbows, Celtic patterns, and fun phrases like "kiss me, I'm Irish," "lucky AF," or "drink up, it's St. Patrick's Day." Products like t-shirts, hoodies, and hats are especially in demand. These are some great examples of designs under this niche. Now let's check out our next trending niche. That is Groundhog Day. Groundhog Day, celebrated on February 2nd, is a quirky and fun event where people await the groundhog's prediction about the arrival of spring. While it's not as mainstream as other holidays, it presents a unique niche for print-on-demand sellers to cater to fans of this tradition. Popular design ideas include groundhog graphics, humorous sayings like 6 more weeks of winter, or I believe in spring, and weather-related themes. You can create designs like these here. Like you can see, the first one is a funny design. The funny type of designs of any niche are always in demand, so you should definitely create such designs. And the other types of designs are also in demand, so you should definitely try similar designs. Next up, we have Easter. Let's check it out. Easter is such a fun and widely celebrated holiday, making it perfect for print on demand. Think about designs with cute bunnies, colorful eggs, and cheerful phrases. For those celebrating the religious side, you can focus on faith-inspired designs with crosses, lilies, or messages. It's a bright, joyful holiday, so colorful and playful designs will definitely grab attention and boost your sales. And these are some really great designs that I found. As you can see, we can create some really unique designs. You just have to be creative and you will be able to make a lot of sales. Now let's check some bonus niches that I found on Redbubble. These niches are trending, and I felt that they are pretty interesting. First, we have the highly caffeinated niche. It is perfect for targeting coffee lovers, a massive and loyal audience. Designs with coffee quotes, funny puns, and coffee cup graphics sell well on t-shirts, mugs, and tote bags. Coffee enthusiasts are passionate, making this a year-round evergreen niche with great potential for repeat sales. Next, we have the space turtle niche. It is unique and eye-catching, perfect for sci-fi and whimsical art fans. It works great on t-shirts, hoodies, and stickers, helping your store stand out and attract niche buyers. Then we have the hammerhead shark niche. This appeals to marine life lovers and ocean enthusiasts. It's perfect for attracting fans of aquatic-themed designs. Next, we have the dogter niche. It is playful and perfect for dog lovers or medical professionals. It's great for combining humor and cuteness to attract a wide audience. So this is all for this video, guys. Are you going to use any of these niches? Please let me know in the comments section. Hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please like and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any upcoming useful videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay creative and stay awesome.